Hello children, welcome to the English class. Children, in today's class we will learn about punctuations. Punctuation is something that is very important. So it also plays an important role in reading and writing part. So let's start with an introduction of punctuation. As you can see in the picture, there are different symbols. These are called punctuation marks. So student, first let me tell you what is punctuation. Punctuation is used to create sense, clarity, and stress in sentences. You use punctuation marks to structure and organize your writing. So, for writing the sentences properly, we make use of punctuation, and punctuation also helps us in reading also. Okay, so first let me start with an introduction part. In writing, we can use punctuation marks to emphasize, clarify what we mean. Okay, students. For example, if I'm asking question, so with the help of punctuation mark, you will come to know that I am asking any question, not any answer. Okay. Next thing is, meanwhile in speaking, we can make a pause, stop, change our tone of voice. So by using punctuation, we can change the tone of our voice also. We can take pause. We can sometimes, when we ask any question, okay, we can also change the modulation of our sound also according to the punctuation mark. So that's why in writing, we make use punctuation marks as signals to our readers. Okay, then readers can easily come to know about the sentence, what the sentence is saying, and what kind of signal the sentence is giving. Okay, so today we will learn these 4 punctuation marks one by one. So let's start with the full stop. So as you have seen, after few sentences and many sentences, we write full stop. Okay. So let me tell you students, what is full stop? A full stop is used at the end of a sentence. Every time you see a full stop, you must stop. I must stop at the end of this sentence. So whenever full stop comes and when you are reading any sentence, you have to take a pause for few seconds. Okay, full stop means end of the sentence. So full stop is used to mark the end of the sentence. Okay, and in abbreviations also we make use of full stop, as you can see in the examples. Like see, end of the sentence, the sunset was beautiful, full stop. I'm not a good cook, but I try my best, full stop. So here sentence is ending and we are putting full stop. Next, in abbreviation means the words which we write in short. For example, you can buy tea, coffee, etc. Instead of writing spelling of etc, we are writing etc, then full stop. At the cafe. Please return it by 29th October at the latest. So instead of writing full spelling of October, we can write in short OCT dot also. So full stop we use in the end of the sentence or with abbreviations also. Now the second punctuation mark is capital letters. Now we will learn where we have to write capital letters and where we have to use small letters. So students, capital letters, generally we use capital letter at the beginning of a sentence. As you can see here, few examples. The torch is on. So here in the T is capital. We line up sensibly. Okay. Again here in W is capital. They are reading books. Again, they T capital. So the word which are coming in the beginning of the sentence, their first letter must be capital. And the next thing is we use capital letter at the start of someone's name. Okay, like you can see Oliver, Sneha. Kavish. So their first letter is capital here. Now, capital letters, now again revise, they go at the beginning of the sentence. The rabbit liked to eat carrots. And second thing is, they are used for proper nouns, or you can say for the naming words also, the names also, like Tara, London, Saturday. So these all are names, so their first letter must be capital. Okay, then our next punctuation mark is question mark. Okay, so in question mark, what we do? Question mark we use with the sentences which are in question form. Okay, so a question is a special type of sentence, so use a question mark at the end instead of a full stop. So as I told you, at the end of the sentence we make use of full stop, but when we are asking any question, we put question mark at the end of the sentence. As you can see few examples also. What is your favorite food? When would you like to go to London? Question mark. How do you feel today? Question mark. Okay, so again, a question asks the reader something. It begins with a question word. Okay, question word means like what that you have already learned. W family words. Okay, so now the next is, so question marks. The main use of question mark is to ask a question. Are you playing cricket? Question mark. What time is it? Question mark. Now, the last one is comma. The students, commas are used to separate 3 or more items in a list. For example, I made sure that I had my books, pencils, and lunch for school. So, we are talking about 3 words: books, pencils, and lunch. So we are putting comma and separating these words: books, comma, pencils, and lunch. Now let's see a few more examples. The comma is used to separate a list. My favorite animals are giraffes, dogs, cats, and birds. So many words are there. List of words, so we separate these words by using comma. Okay, now next sentence. It is also used between the date and the year. Okay, when we put date, sometimes we also make use of full stop. For example, 24 full stop, or you can say comma, then 2001. So now let's solve few exercise. Now the first question is, where are we going? Now you have to tell me which punctuation mark we use here. Comma, question mark, or full stop? Yes, the correct answer is question mark, because we are asking question, where are we going? Okay, so this sentence is a question, so it gets a question mark. Next, phone is ringing. Yes, the correct answer is full stop, because this is a sentence. Somebody is saying the phone is ringing. So this is a statement. Okay. Next, put those papers away. Yes, again full stop, because this sentence is again a command. For command or for general sentences we write full stop. So thank you so much, students. Do practice of the same at home also. I will send you few exercise. You have to solve those exercise part also, then it would be more clear to you. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.